Okay, this is the second coffee pot that we received from Discount Drug Mart. The company that makes this coffee pot is a joke. They're a scam company. They told me when this coffee pot was acting up here a while back, it was basically shutting off when, not this one here, but the other one. It was shutting off after I turned it on. See, here's the button to turn it on. Well, there's water in here. There's plenty of water in here. There's coffee in here. But it's not wanting to percolate now. It's not bringing the water up into and over the coffee grounds and into the coffee pot. This one here. The other coffee pot was shutting off. Then I I noticed it shut off. It wasn't even done brewing. Then I turned it back on. Then it shut off again. About 3 times it did that. I contacted the company. About it. And the company more or less said, well, since you did not, now it's supposed to have a 2-year warranty, manufacturer warranty. It states that right on the box. And even on the manual. Well, the company said that since you did not buy it from us, or basically our website, or one of our authorized dealers, then the coffee pot does not have a warranty. Basically only like a 30-day warranty, not a 2-year warranty. And basically they in another email they said, then they turned around and said, well, because I told my contact my attorneys about it, and then they said, well, we'll give you another coffee pot. Then they turned around and said, we're out of stock. And then they turned around and said in another email that if the store you bought it at, which is not an authorized dealer of this coffee pot, so Discount Drug Mart is not an authorized dealer of this coffee pot, or coffee maker. As you see, the red light is still on, but it's not percolating. It's not doing anything. So this one here had quit working as well. I better turn it off, be on the safe side. See, it's getting power. Should be percolating, but it's not. And it's plugged in. I got my microwave and this light here plugged in there. And the coffee pot. I don't have a lot of plug-ins here, people, because this is a 1972 mobile home. They did not make mobile homes back in 1972 with a whole bunch of plug-ins to run all the different appliances that we will have and technology that we have today. But the thing is, this company is a scam company. They told me they will not warrant this coffee pot for 2 years, like it states on their box and their in there on the manual because I bought it from Discount Drug Mart. Scam company, scam company, scam company. Because they don't honor the warranty if you do not buy it from one of their supposedly authorized dealers. Just to let you know, if you basically, go to a store that sells something and it says it has a warranty, don't believe it. Do not believe it. Because companies like this will scam you in a heartbeat. God bless you. Have a blessed day.